So financial statements are the statements that we prepare in accounting. So there are four kind of financial statements, and the purpose of a financial statement is for the reporting to the external users so that they can take decisions. External users maybe the bankers, maybe investor, potential investors, taxation authorities, our creditors. So all these are external users of financial statements. So what are the financial statement we have here? Number one, income statement, which is also known as the profit and loss account. Statement of owner's equity means like the owner who has invested money in the business, that how much he has invested, how much the profit he has gained, and after then whether is there any drawings or means the withdrawal of money for the personal use. Everything will be calculated here in the statement of owner's equity. What is the balance sheet and cash flow statement? And also there is a relationship among the financial statements we will discuss. The first one is the income statement. So statement of earning or statement of operation or even the profit and loss count, all are the same thing. Is the business making any money? This is the question will be answered with the help of income statement. The income statement presents a summary of all the revenues and expenses of the company for a particular period, like maybe in a month or a year. So business people run their businesses with the objective of having more revenues than expenses. It means the excess of total revenue over total expenses is called net profit or net earning or net income. If total expenses exceed total revenue, the result is called net loss. So this is how we calculate profit or loss in the business. This is the format I have shown you here. The format of a profit and loss account for the period ended. On the left hand side is the debit side, on the right hand side is the credit side. So debit and credit. We have number of items like salary, rent, commission, advertisement, bad debt, discount. At the end, net profit. On the right side, we have some incomes like discount received, commission received, income received, like interest that we have given money as a loan to someone and we are receiving interest income. So income minus expenditure is equal to net profit, which will be transferred to the capital account. So it means the profit and loss account we have prepared to know the net profit, and net profit will transfer to the balance sheet, because in balance sheet there is a capital account on the liability side. We will add net profit in the capital account. So it means the link is there, like link of profit and loss account and balance sheet is there, and the link is only and only we can see if there is a profit or loss. If there is a profit, it will be added in the capital. If loss, will be subtracted from the capital. Second statement, we have statement of owner's equity. The statement of owner's equity present a summary of changes that occurs in the entity's owner's equity during a specific period of time, maybe such as a month or a year. In this particular time, the owner of the business has invested 2 times, 3 times, have brought money in the business, whether he has money or has taken a loan from someone. Some of the money he might withdraw at the end of the period, maybe end of the quarter, end of the month. There will be some profit will be added in the capital account. So this is known as statement of owner's equity. We have a balance sheet. All liabilities are equal to all assets. So balance sheet or statement of financial position, one and the same thing. It shows the list of all assets, all liabilities, and owner's equity of the organization as of a specific date, usually the end of month or a year. Balance sheet is like a snapshot of entity because it captures values at a moment in time. So balance sheet depicts the real picture of the organization. It shows the health of the company. We will be able to see what are the assets and what are the amount of assets, what are the liabilities and what are the amount of the liabilities. In the liability, we see how much the owner has invested and how much the liability that we owe to the outsiders. This is one format in front of you. We have assets and we have liabilities. Assets on the left hand side and liabilities on the right hand side. On the left hand side, we see the assets, current assets, property and equipments, other assets, and total assets. On the right hand side, we can see liabilities and shareholders' equity, current liabilities, total liabilities, shareholder equities, and total liabilities and shareholder equities. Both sides, you can see 472,100 assets are equal to liabilities. Next one is the cash flow statement we have here. The cash flow statement is, it reports the cash coming in and cash going out during a particular period. So the flow of cash, how much cash is coming in, how much cash is going out for the particular period, that is to be calculated to know what is the closing balance of the cash. So net increase or decrease in cash and cash balance at the end of the period is the main crux for preparing the cash flow statement. It is just like a cash account we have here.